Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to delete Hamster Kombat account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete your Hamster Kombat account, even though it is not advisable, but I'm doing this video so that you don't mistakenly delete your Hamster Kombat account. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Hamster. It is affiliated to Telegram, so open your Telegram and then go to your Hamster Kombat interface. Now once you open your Hamster Kombat, even though it is not advisable, but then I'm going to show you the risks involved in deleting your Hamster Kombat account. So just click on the settings at the top right corner over here. So click on that, and once you click on that, you can see delete account. So you can see, are you sure you want to delete your account? And you can see all your data, including game progress, achievements and purchases, will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. And you can see delete account and cancel. For me, I don't want to delete my account, but all that I'm trying to say is when your account is deleted, it will be very, very complicated for you to undo it. So please, but if you still want to delete your account, you can delete your account, but then I won't advise you to do that. Just keep mining this crypto coin because it is very, very important. Everyone is mining this, so let's see what is going to happen in the future. So this is a simple tutorial. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video